So the issue I have is this is the older model. The newer one is a rectangular model, and then when I went to their Amazon store, they have one that looks just like this, but it's smaller. And I didn't check the dimensions. So just make sure that you read the dimensions and then measure your air filter and then get the model number off the bottom, and then you should be good to go to get your new filter. To change the filter, you just flip it upside down. I'm going to go ahead and unplug it just to be safe. And then you turn this here, and then this is what you're looking for. It says on the bottom that this is the model ClearAir-A2. So that's what I was looking for when I was looking for the filters. And the other thing I did is I measured the filter. So I got 7 inches wide, and then so it looks like it's just a little more than 7.5. So we don't want it any bigger than that. The one I found measured really close. It says it's for ClearAir-A2, and the measurement is 7 by 7.5. So it's just slightly shorter than the other one, but it's really close. All right, we'll go ahead and put it in. Oh yeah, it fits. There we go. So that's good. So you can see the difference between the old one is really getting dirty now, and then the new one's nice and white. So I can go ahead and switch these out. It says you should switch them every 3 months, every 3 to 6 months. And then I'm going to put this in. Gonna plug the power back in. And then I'm going to reset it. Just going to turn the power on. And then I'm going to hold the filter button down. There we go. Now we're all reset. And then it'll time it so that every so many days it'll just keep flipping, and then I'll know when it's time to change it. There it is, cranked all the way up. It seems to be working great. And there it is on the low setting. So yeah, now we got a nice new clean filter in there. The nice thing about these filters, it was a 2-pack. So I got one in here, so I'm all started fresh with a new filter. And then in 3 to 6 months, depending how much stuff it absorbs, then I got another one all ready to go, and I can just switch them out. So yeah, these filters are pretty nice.